Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is the Fragrance Aficionado, Zeus Giovanni, and I am here doing something that I have not seen done yet in fragrance reviews. We are going to do a live Lataffa ASAD Trifecta. We got Asad the original, Asad Zanzibar, and the newest one from Asad, Bourbon. Let's not hesitate. Let's get it jumped off. We'll go right to the original, Asad. This is said to be a clone or a dupe of Christian Dior Sauvage Elixir. Let's do an atomizer and a smell check. Yeah, I can see. It's definitely in the wheelhouse. I don't know that I'd maybe give it like an 85%. 85% clone. Original Asad. Here's your notes. Top notes are black pepper, tobacco, and pineapple. Your middle notes are patchouli, coffee, and iris. And your base notes are vanilla, amber, dry wood, benzoin, and labdanum. All right, let's put the OG aside. And let's get into Lataffa ASAD Zanzibar. Here's your bottle. Cap. Let's do an atomizer. It's like a fruity soda type smell to it. It's not really impressive to me. I don't really like it. I don't even know what this is a clone of. I don't even know if it is a clone. It might just be their own scent on this one. We got top notes of lavender, black pepper. Middle notes of coconut water, iris, and salt. And your base notes of vanilla and incense. Now that I can smell it drying down a little bit, like in front of me, I can smell some marine or like oceanic type. That's probably where the coconut water and salt mix. Again, this is Asad Zanzibar by Lataffa. Not too impressed in my mind. Now, this is the newest, Asad Bourbon. This is supposed to be a clone of Stronger With You by Armani. It's a beautiful bottle. Let's get into the atomizer check. That's a nice smell. Very nice smell. It's definitely something that's like not a niche type deal. It's definitely something that's out there. Your top notes are lavender and black pepper. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Let me go back. Lavender and pink pepper and Mirabelle on the top. Then you have cacao, Diviana, nutmeg, bourbon, vanilla, amber, and vetiver. Again, this is Asad Bourbon. This is the newest one from that line. It's supposed to be Stronger Without You by Giorgio Armani clone or dupe. It's probably the best one out of all three. In my opinion, it's the best one out of all three. Here's the order I had them in. Again, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. I'll be doing more detailed reviews. My podcast is jumping off this month. I have a lot going on. I've been having some issues with contractors for my studio that I'm building. It should be done hopefully by mid-February. And I'll be starting to film down there. So I'll be doing better, longer reviews and actually diving into different things, origins, companies, different, like actually educate you on what these are. Again, please stay safe and stay blessed.